shine through the frame. From the heart of Rwanda, the vision is clear. Price Rwanda TV, we're rising